Creating a preventive maintenance schedule. While FMEAs give you a baseline for creating a preventive maintenance schedule, your plans won't last forever. Your operation is changing all the time. Your PM schedule needs to change with it. Using work order and repair histories to update FMEAs helps you optimize your schedule and keep pace with other changes. For example, a failure mode may not happen as frequently as you predicted. This data may lead you to reduce the frequency of the PM meant to prevent this failure mode. You can then put those resources toward another maintenance task.